Are you feeling drained or lacking confidence? Many men experience these challenges. It's time to revitalize your energy and performance with Nitric Boost. Nitric Boost is a groundbreaking natural supplement designed to enhance male vitality and energy. By increasing nitric oxide production, it improves blood flow and overall stamina. Just 1 scoop a day supports your blood circulation, sexual performance, and natural energy levels. Every serving includes a powerful blend of ingredients like Beet Root Powder and L-Arginine. These elements work together to promote healthy circulation, helping you achieve stronger erections and improved endurance. Unlike artificial pills, Nitric Boost is entirely natural. It supports your body's functions while ensuring safety with non-GMO ingredients. This means no harmful stimulants, just pure vigor. Thousands of men across the nation have transformed their lives with Nitric Boost. For example, Steve from Phoenix regained his youthful energy and confidence after years of struggles. David from Houston improved his performance significantly after nearly a decade of dissatisfaction. Their stories showcase the genuine impact of this supplement on men's health. How does it work? Nitric Boost naturally increases nitric oxide levels, promoting better blood flow and energy. Ingredients like Horny Goat Weed and Ginkgo Biloba enhance hormonal balance and stamina for optimal physical and mental performance. Now is the perfect time to try Nitric Boost, as it's available at a limited time offer of $49 per bottle, down from $197. Each order includes a 180-day money-back guarantee, meaning you can try it risk-free. Ordering is easy. Click the official link in the description and pinned comment to secure your Nitric Boost. Your privacy is protected, ensuring your credit card information is safe. Don't wait any longer. Join thousands of satisfied customers and experience the revitalizing effects of Nitric Boost. You deserve to feel youthful, strong, and vibrant. Take the first step towards reclaiming your confidence today.